Hey guys, welcome back. So let's friend today I tell you how you can fix location virus in your antivirus WhatsApp account. So let's guys we start our video, and if you want to make your WhatsApp homepage like that of amazing, so you can watch my video already. I uploaded on my YouTube channel. So let's guys, I click here and I am showing you. Here is a location virus, and you can see here this is the two groups of location virus. Let's open it, and this is the database of WhatsApp virus, and my WhatsApp is hanged, you can see here. And let's we clear it, and we activate the button of location virus, and again we open this group. And if you have kind of this problem, you can fix it by using location virus button. And here you can notice my WhatsApp is slowly opening. Check again. So let's guess, I try it, but this WhatsApp is cannot open. So let's we again. This is a folder of this WhatsApp. So let's we open it first, and it will be open easily. Let's we try here. Oh, this is also cannot open. We again clear it and open it. So now this is open. Let's go into setting, and here you can see this is a option of activate virus location, and now we open it. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let your worth.